The lie of time, the lie of space, and by extension, the lie of matter itself. What I found is, what is a thought? It's not time. It's not space. It's not matter. Is it real? I think you can extrapolate that, like, if I want to disregard this whole realm of metaphysics, by logical extension, I should disregard the very concept of thinking itself. If I'm not willing to dismiss the idea of thinking altogether, I can't really dismiss the idea of what's called the universe thinking as a whole, which is what we might call metaphysics. Given that we can't logically disregard either of those things, we have to start to see our own thoughts as a subset of the universe's thoughts. And that essentially we're just this little metaphysical microcosm in which the larger metaphysic equation is operating, in which case what's true for the universe, which is that metaphysics becomes physics, is true for ourselves, which is that thoughts become things. Once we sort of decipher that equation, we either give our lives over to it or we persist in being in resistance and wonder why we're frustrated all the time.